How to archive your Facebook group. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to archive your Facebook group. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the Groups option you see in the menu. If you do not see the Groups option there, then you can tap on the See All option and you will be able to see the Groups option there. Now, tap on your Groups option and you will see two tabs, that is, Groups you manage and Groups you have joined. Under the Groups You Manage tab, tap on the group you want to archive and further tap on the Manage button you see there. Now, scroll down and under the Settings tab, tap on the Group Settings option and scroll down to the bottom again, and you will see the Archive Group option. Tap on that. Now, as you can see here, members can still view the group but they cannot add people, create posts, like or comment, and you can undo this anytime. So go ahead and select the reason for why you are archiving the group and tap on the continue button, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on archive button, and with this your group has been archived. So this is how you can archive your Facebook group. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for similar helpful tutorials. Thank you for staying with us until the end.